All right, welcome back to Rashad's Garage. As you can see, I started working on the Jeep already. I forgot to do my intro, so I'm just going back doing that. But I will tell you guys, the Yukon did sell. If you guys like that kind of stuff, just let me know. It's not gonna be the bread and butter of this channel. I just want to show you guys some of the things I do on the side. I can't post daily just because of work, and then I can't like go to work and come back and work on this. It'll drain me. But yeah, I'll do my best to give you guys videos periodically, trying to do them more and more. I'm just starting to record all the little stuff I do for you guys to see. I'm gonna try to get this thing ready because I did plan on doing an off-road trip on Thursday, and today is Monday. So let's see if I can finish it. All right, I'm doing this again. So what I'm trying to see is how this wheel is gonna move, because I think I broke this axle strap from dumping a clutch on pavement like an idiot. So let's see. Okay, that was that. See how that moves. Let's see how both of them move together. So I can hear the locker ratcheting on this side. Same thing. All right, let's see what I broke. Time to pull the diff cover off. Let's see what I did. So backwards and forward. So I got all the cars moved out the garage and driveway. So I'm about to lower the Jeep, slowly center it. I'm not gonna put the diff cover back on just to center it, but move it to center so I can pull the tires off, pull the brakes off, and see what's going on. So let me get to that. Look who just showed up.
Taking pictures of.
It's not a picture.
Video?
Yeah, he's coming over to see what I broke.
What'd you break?
We'll see. I'm gonna get back to it. So I pulled everything apart just to check the C-clips, and that one seems good. And this one seems good. So I just think I grenaded my locker or messed it up somehow. But this is as far as I'm gonna tear down, just because I need my garage space, and if it's a locker, then I gotta order it. So yeah, I'm gonna put it back together. So I just got back from getting gear fluid. I can't figure out the problem. I think it's a locker. So what I'm gonna do is put it back together, and I'm gonna save up for a grizzly locker and a C-clip eliminator. Just get rid of all that stuff. And yeah, that's the only thing I can think of. Shafts are good. The locker looks fine, but it could be something under load. The gears, no missing teeth from the ring and pinion, none of that. So I think I just messed up the locker. Yeah, I will never drop the clutch in my Jeep with fucking 38s and stock shafts.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
You doing burnouts in front of my house?
Not with this. I do it with everything else. But about to put it back together and then go from there. I figured out what's going on. Obviously, you guys do know my Jeep is locked. So look at this wheel. I'm gonna go up, I'm gonna give some, drop the clutch. And it just spins one side only. So I'm pretty sure I ruined my locker. Now I can go up slow, and I just hear it unlocking right there. So I broke my locker. Well, time for a better, oh shit, too much dust. So yeah, I figured out my problem. It wasn't the shafts, it wasn't the gears, it's the locker. So that will be coming soon, I guess. All right, I just got back from that test. As you guys can see, I was on that hill, gave it a little bit of gas, and only one side lit up. It's actually, it feels like it's worse than the open diff, because with the open diff, it switch sides to whichever side needs power. This one is just one tire only. So yeah, a Grizzly locker or another Spartan locker will be coming in the future. And like always, like, comment, and subscribe for more.